How to add related products to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the related products section into your Squarespace. Uh, of course, e-commerce site or your store or the standard website that you're going to create from this platform. It is going to be very easy and very simple. You are going basically to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to open up our account dashboard just like that. Remember guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, accounts are created only for the sake of the video and not for something else. So make sure that you're going to use your own information in these type of procedures. So we're going to choose one of the websites that we have. Click on go to website. Now we're going to make sure that we have at least a store integrated within the a specific website of ours. And how we can know that, we're going to basically click on pages and see if we have a store. If we do not, we are going to click on plus and then we are going to add a store in here. So we are going to wait for it and then we are going to install our store. So we are going to choose one of the templates or sections that we have here, and it is going to be linked at the header. So in my case, I am going to choose might be this one. I'm going to click on it and it will add up the page. So this is the store. I'm going to name it only store. So this is the first thing that we are going to see. This is the store. Now let's click onto one of the products. So we can select the detail page first. So I am going to have maybe this one. This is the most simplest one. So we're going to see, as you can see here, the quantity checker, the add to cart button, and no, as you can see, a featured product. So this is the first step that you're going to need to do is to add a store, have some products. Now what we're going to do is to head over to products and services. So we're going to see the products and maybe you're going to select one that is already existing. Now what we're going to do is to verify the details of the product. Now we are going to scroll down a little bit until we are going to see here the selling tools and the marketings. So for the selling tools, we're going to have here product add-ons, featured product, related products, and product reviews. As you can see, the featured product is turned off. So it is going to be defined as the featured product can be displayed in summary blocks on your page. So we're going to type it on, click on save, and it is going to add the featured product. Now, if I go in here, where is the product? Let's see if we have added it correctly. This is the right product. So we are going to take a look for the website. This is it. Normally it is going to be added in here. So normally the featured product is going to be right there. Now let's say that we're going to add it from scratch. We're going to head over the products, click on create, select the product that you're going to have, for example, the type of it as a physical product, service, digital product, or something like that. I'm going to add in here the physical product. I can go ahead and put a name like, I don't know here, test. The description is going to be also a test. So the image could be maybe from the library, but it is not going to let you here add an image from the library. I think the stock footage is not going to be supported. Now we have the inventory. You're going to put your price, the stock, and also the variants. You can add the variants to fulfillment. You're going to have it right there. Organization. You can add some categories for this one. We are going to have here a category. We're going to add it just like that. Boom. Tags, for example, we are going to have some tags. I'm going to have them right there. And we're going to put the featured product. So we're going to make it as a featured product. Now I'm going to click on save and publish. So we are going to have it right there. So if you're going to head over the product, they are going to see as a featured product. Now I'm going to show you something else that is going to be very um, necessarily added, which is going to be on the selling tools. Of course, we have the related products, which is going to be added right there. So if you're going to have a related product, you can add another product which is going to be related. So it is going to be going in here. So I'm going to save it. When you're going to head over the website, you're going to head over here. I don't think that this is the right product. I don't know. So we're going to have to the store again. So this is the categories of the product. I'm going to select the product, and normally it is going to be added right there. So this is going to be the featured product you might also like, and it is going to add the product itself. Here, as you can see, we have the test. So basically it is going to be right there. That was pretty much it for the trick right there, or the procedure. You can go ahead and add whatever you want from these, and you only need to head over the product section, select for example, I'm going to head over here. We're going to activate the as you can see, featured product for this is activated already, so I'm going to cancel that. We're going to head over the products again, and we are going to select another one. This one, for example, let's see, or check it, is going to be the same. This is a little bit weird. So this one, featured, boom. We're going to add the related products. You can go ahead and add all, apply, save, and boom. You're going to find them right away. So I'm going to head over the website. We're going to head over the page of the products. I'm going to choose another product, maybe this. I think that uh, this is not the product or the set for the one that I have set. Let's move on to this, and it is going to be the same. So this is not something that you should worry about. You're going to find your product, and also the case for the featured product showing just for the um, activated ones. So normally you're going to find it in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.